Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I'm going to show you how to configure your ShootPro network if the network configuration utility failed. First, open Windows Explorer. Once it is opened, go to This PC. Then go to Local Disk C. From there, enter the 3S directory. Then the lowercase ShootPro directory. Now enter the data folder. Once you're in the data folder, right-click on server_hostname, then select Edit. Now set the file contents to be the name of your server. In my case, my server name is 3s-server. Now go to File, then Save. Now close out of this file. Now your network should work. If you have any questions, you can also email us at support@shootingsportssoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.